Hi, I am Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to Fogwing CMMS, a smart CMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. During this session, I will walk you through setting Target KPIs in the plant module of the Fogwing CMMS application. Tracking asset performance is crucial for maintaining operational efficiency and reducing downtime. By setting goals for downtime, MTTR, and MTBF, users can systematically monitor, compare actual data, and make data-driven maintenance decisions. Let's walk through the steps to set Target KPIs for plant-level assets in Fogwing CMMS. To begin with, log into your Fogwing CMMS account. Once logged in, click on the Settings menu item to navigate to the Settings page on your Fogwing CMMS account. Once on the Settings page, go to Organization Settings in the navigation bar, then click on the Plant section. Here, you will see a list of plants registered in your system. Select the plant for which you want to set Target KPIs. Click on the three-dot menu on the plant card and choose View/Edit. This will open the Edit Plant form. Now, click on the Target KPIs tab to begin setting benchmark values for your plant-level assets. Enter the required KPI values. Downtime max, the highest acceptable downtime limit for assets at this plant. MTTR max, the maximum time allowed to repair assets. MTBF min, the minimum expected time between asset failures. These values serve as benchmarks to track performance and optimize maintenance strategies. Once you've entered the KPI values, click the Update button to save your changes. Your plant's Target KPIs are now successfully set. You can now compare actual asset performance against these set benchmarks to monitor efficiency, reduce downtime, and make data-driven maintenance decisions. With Target KPIs in Fogwing CMMS, now maintenance users can easily track and improve asset performance. Thank you for watching this Fogwing CMMS demo video on setting Target KPIs in the plant module. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try, your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.